Hey team, how's it going? As I stand here and I wait for my next transporter, I want to just quickly talk about a person's walk. What is your walk? Everyone has a different walk in life. Everyone has a different step, a different direction, a different path. And too often we find in our world today, and we see it a lot today, there's judgments. There's other people being concerned about how their neighbor, or how their family member, or how their friend, or how someone across the world, or in their country, or wherever is living. Concerned about their walk in life, their walk with their faith, their walk with their family, their walk with who they are, who they're deciding to be. Everyone's walk is different. And here's the beauty of life. None of us, when we were born inside the amniotic sac of another person and then somehow came through them as well, through their mother, and was born as well on the earth. You know what I mean? We all are born with our individual amniotic sacs, whether we are twins, and that's the one, or triplets, or that's the one anomaly. We are all born into this world through our own mothers, through their wombs, and we are not attached to anyone else. We learn the ability to judge and to talk about how others should walk. We learn that behavior, and it's really ridiculous because none of us has the right to judge how anyone should walk in this life. None of us has that right at all. So I say this as a means for us to remember, stop judging. Stop judging how people walk. Stop trying to say what's okay because of a mindset or a way of thinking that moves a person to say, well, this is how I want everyone around me to live and to think and to believe. You see, that's not how we should go about associating, connecting, and being with our fellow man and woman. We need to learn how to respect and coexist in a way that says your way of life may be different from mine and I may have my perspectives. But you will have just as every right to live that way as I have to live my way. And we're going to live and coexist in peace. And we're going to see the humanity in one another, and how if I need something, or if there's a disaster and you're the only door that's open to me, I know that I'll be able to go to your door and you'll help me no matter how we live. You see? So a person's walk, their walk in life, their journey is of no consequence and of no dealing with you or me. It's theirs, it's mine, it's yours. And the sooner we realize that and accept that, the freer we'll be, and the freer this world will be as well. Okay? What's your walk? I'm sure it's a great one. Talk to you soon.